Okay, so what's up, guys? I'm playing Madden Mobile. You could download it too. So I just started, and oh no. Okay, doo, doo, doo. Okay, I'm New England Patriots. Seriously, it's my favorite team. But it is, it's a good team, you know. It's a very good team, you know. They, no, it's lots of people's. Okay, this one. HP Stand 18. Okay, come on, dude. That's why you could do run plays. I like pass plays, you know. Woohoo, I got coins. Okay. Upgrade my team. Okay. Now I have 50 coins left now. Okay. Ooh, yeah, that's good, that's good. Wait, let me... First of all, we just have to see everyone's rating. Okay, 13. Okay. Nah. See, I'm just gonna play. Okay. Okay, guys, you know, I'm kind of out of energy right now. It's pretty, like, late right now. Yes, thank you. Hail Mary, my favorite play. It's lots of people's favorite play. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. See, that's that. Everyone has good defense whenever they hear, oh, Hail Mary. Like, the other team has, like, so much good defense. Oh, you better catch that. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, Williams. Yeah, Williams. Yeah, Williams. Yeah, Williams. Stop. Do your front flip. Yeah. Do your front flip. Do it. Do it. Yeah. Williams. See, I just gone long pass because Hail Mary is like the best play you could think of. Sure, this Williams guy, he's good. Ooh, okay, I see you. I see. He think he got all the swag. I see you. Can't trick this man. Okay. Okay. Field goal. Oh, no good. No good. See, I'm not that good at making field goals. See, I'm just like a this one better. Yeah, it had to be good. If they counted that wrong, I'm about to just get my phone and then smack it onto the floor. This guy, he's so bad at everything. In my school, people call him Mr. Bad. Seriously, yeah, like nothing he's good at. What? Okay, let me try again. See, it's not me. I'm putting straight. This is the thing that's jacked up. I ain't jacked up. I made it. That was good. Okay, great. No good. That one almost hit the referee. The referee like, that ain't gonna be good. He like, that's gonna be good. That thing hit me in my face. He's like, I might as well quit this stuff. Good. Okay. This is good. Oh, that one's bad. That was just bad. That's nothing but bad. I have to make this. I have to. Oh, shoot. Okay, seriously. And just continue. Shoot. Okay. No, I'm not doing the kick. I just did that stuff. That thing's like... Any other thing to do? Oh, let me see on live events. Okay. Ooh, play. Let's do this. New England Patriots are very good. I think the two teams who's going to be in Super Bowl, my two favorite teams, it's going to be New England Patriots and Denver Broncos. Maybe Indianapolis Colts. I'm just saying maybe. I didn't say yes. I just said maybe. Because, like, they are pretty good, you know. They're not pretty good. They are good, actually. They're, like, so awesome. Boom, 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 boom. Huh. I can run across. Man, get out of here, fat ass. Like, no one tackles me. I'm Williams. Ooh. You see me? Yeah, good job, Williams. To the right. Oh, I'm going against them, too. I'm going against... Yeah, show you, Indianapolis. Yeah, that's what we do. Yeah. That's what we do here. We are good people. We're not the bad people, see? We're the people that people count on. We're the people of peoples. He made that, right? You got it right. Yeah, he made that. Hail Mary. See, Hail Mary is just like the best play you could think of. Only if you have a good quarterback. To the right, to the left. Ooh, good touchdown. Ooh. Okay. Open pack. Ooh, we need more defense. Okay. Ooh, yay. What the? Oh my god. Okay. Great. Now let me go up here. Let me play this. Okay. This is gonna be so easy. Oh, field goal? Why field goal? Like, I'm just saying, but this suit kind of looks like Denver Broncos. Oh, we're going against New York Giants. I see you, New York. I see you. Trying to make us, like, you want to try to show people how good. Oh, what the was that? What the heck was that? Seriously, what the? See, I'm horrible. Sorry, I just have to admit. I am kind of horrible. Okay, I'm not kind of, I am. Yeah. I can't do this. See, I'm not good at kicking. See, I'm not good at kicking that much. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. Okay, yeah. Okay, here goes. Long pass. No, Hail Mary. See, like, if I see Hail Mary, I press Hail Mary. I don't see Hail Mary. What the? Dang, we need more defense here. I don't want no fat guys crushing me. Okay. X. See, Williams is now just wide open all the time now. Dang, you almost catch that. That was good, Williams. That was good. Fine, I made it too easy. That's awesome. Oh, I have to try again. This is like, I can't do my reputation with passing. Passing is like sometimes hard, other times it's not. Ooh, that's awesome. Yeah, you could check that out by Shy Gizzy. I don't know if I'm saying right. I just was on the radio and I heard it and it says Shy Gizzy. Dang. That guy tackled him down. Seriously, I'm running out of... Dang, I cannot play. I only have one piece of stamina left. Any other places? Guess not. Okay, guys, like the video and subscribe. See you later. Peace.